Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ravi Mahra with a new topic, how to write a check or how to write cancel on a check. So I would suggest you never write a check with your friend's pen, because now several type of pens are come in the market. After writing anything on the check or somewhere, you can cancel it or you can erase it. So I'll suggest you not to write with somebody else's pen. You have to write with your own pen. It shouldn't be a gel pen, because if you're writing with a gel pen, the ink can spill out to another page. So here I'll just show you how to write cancel on a check. So this is a check. You have to just drag a line, then cancel. Thank you very much. Give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.